YouTube. What's up, everyone? How we doing? All right. You know how we start. Phrase of the day is, they didn't know it was impossible, so they did it. So, that's how we're going to start our twos games. And let's get some hope going. And even if it looks like we can't win, let's just keep on going, because it might be possible. Hopefully we load in at a decent time. As in fast. Doesn't look like it though. So let's just warm up a little bit more, I guess. One's video already posted if you speak French. I mean, go check it out. If you don't speak French, go check it out and try to learn French with what I'm saying. Try to see if you can follow, but that doesn't matter anymore. Alright, let's lock in here. Game one, come on. We're playing with Joe King, and we're playing against the Wannabe GCs. MC and Hot Dog. Alright, let's go. It's a weird kickoff by them. Not bad for us. He is there. Yikes. I gotta go back because, well, that. Teammate is there, so that's okay. Is he nasty? No. Brutal. He does just give the ball away, so I'm... I tried dodging the bump because I knew he was going to go for that, but I just went too high. Yeah. Unlucky. We're good. Not a bad kickoff. He misses beans. Does get dunked. That's unfortunate. They're both up. I got to make sure I get beans here. Nice. Try to buy some time for teammate. Is that too high? Oh, man. Nice, let's go. I thought, was that on? Okay, no, it wasn't on. Right on. Okay, beauty. I thought it was on, and I almost trolled us, but it wasn't on, so awesome. Let's go, 1-1. And I'm lucky with the beans there. Okay, teammate does want to go for that. If it goes right, I'm there. Let's go. 2-1, right on. There we go. I knew if I shot it hard left there, it'd be free goal. You're gonna go left here. Okay, not brutal. I can't, I'm too low. Man, that's my bad. Okay, well, he probably could have went for a demo there. He kind of dodged him, but good shot. Okay. Nice, huge touch there. Needed that. This is going to be a weird bounce. Just try to get in the way for them. Teammate does beat them. Beans? Nope. That's fine, just get some 12s. I am able to get some time with this, I believe. Teammate is there, so I'll try to just pass it off the backboard to him. They're there, no problem. Alright, he does beat them. I can't get caught lacking. Okay, no problem. Big save. Nice. Do have to dive there. Teammate might be there for the shot. It's unlucky, no problem. I could have got beans. Oh no, I gotta get beans now. Great. I do know I can win this ball, no problem. A little bit of a break dance, and maybe a good enough shot. No, he's back, unlucky. Make sure I get beans there. That's a good cut by teammate. I'm gonna go... Unlucky. Oh no. Okay, I'm fast enough. We're good. That's a really good play by him, actually. I got no beans. Unlucky. Okay, half the game done. 2-2. Nice. He almost got caught, but we're good. Nice play by him. Gives me some time to get 12s. He's deep, so I'm going to try to find him. Unlucky. I was hoping he was going to keep going for theirs. Okay, well now I have nothing. Nice. Try to find him there. Do find him. Does give it away. Unlucky. This is no problem. Okay, hopefully mid spawns or something. It looks like he just snagged mid. Please don't take corner. Okay. Gonna get mid here. I can't go in. Gonna just chill here. Teammate still isn't back yet. Okay. I gotta get. Okay, well. Looks like it's. Oh my. I don't know. I don't know. And I think I would have been able to save that. But of course, it is the Joe King show. So, he's got to go for it. Okay, decent kickoff. What is happening? Can he... 1v1. Nice save. Nice, decent 50 there. And teammate was too low, but please take your time. He doesn't take his time. Nice, let's go. That is exactly the shot I wanted. It was a little sketchy, like big time sketchy, but that is what I wanted to do. So, let's go. Come on. Oh, that's a good fake. Damn. And teammate is nowhere to be found. Okay. Where is he going? I don't know. That's okay. 4-3. Let's go here. Uh-oh. Wow! Wow. I was not expecting that. Dang. And that might have just took the air all out of our sails. Unlucky. Okay, there's still time. Come on. Okay, well, I thought he was cutting. Oh my god, yeah, awesome. A little bit of confusion there on me. Dang. It's unlucky. Unlucky. That's okay. Not bad. Good game there. Alright, here we go. Quick load in. Right on. Alright, well, we got the same clown on our team. Not a bad kickoff. He should be there. He does miss the ball. Okay, no problem. Dodge the demo. Nice. Okay. Does just give the ball away. Okay. How did this guy play last game, and how can we make it so it works for us? He kind of just did whatever he wanted whenever he wanted. So... sketchy touch. Nice save. That might be in. Nice, let's go. Right on. Okay, good start. Come on, let's keep it up. That's not a good touch. Brutal touch, actually. Can't be having that. He's just probably gonna bang. He will secure their beans. He's dead. Okay, how is this looking? It's unlucky. Yeah, I don't know. Okay, I should be able to... Oh, no, I can't. Okay, nice. Good corner there. I can't get that ball, so I need to go back. He should be able to control this. He's got lots of boost. I tried passing it to him because I saw him going up. But, okay, that was dumb. Well, if you would have gave me room, I probably would have been able to save it, but, okay, well. He's going to go for this one again. Nice one. Should be able to beat him. Good 50 there. Nice. Not really, actually. Please don't go in. He got beans, which is good. That's not good. Okay, that's off. I got 66 boost. Oh no. Oh, I needed like, I thought I had just a little bit more boost. I didn't realize how much I used. Dumb. Thought my boost management was better there. Okay, nice. Let's go. Good play by me there. I knew if I baited him in, I could get it over him there. Nice. Too smart for these clowns. Come on. Let's go. Actually, I don't trust this guy. I'll stay on my right and expect something like that. Yeah. Okay. That was brutal. Mamma mia. Okay, nice. Bad recovery. Do get their beans though, so that's always nice. I can't go for that. Oh man. Dang. It's unlucky. Okay, not a brutal kickoff. Never mind. Nice. Sketchy. Okay, huge. Okay, 50 seconds. Come on, let's go here. I don't know if he's got a flip. Okay, he didn't. Shoot it! Okay. Nice. Right on. Let's go! I'll give him the nice shot to boost his confidence here for these last 38 seconds. Okay. Is that just in? Okay, no. Unlucky. Okay, well, I thought he was in a better position to save that. Like, what is he doing there? Okay, well, that'll get you. It's not a good shot. Dead one. Okay, a little bit of Diaz. Or, oh my god, I just figured out his name. Ken something? Oh, I thought I had a little bit longer almost. Kenzo? Kenzo. Good kickoff. Come on. No! Is that my fault? I don't know. Damn. It's unlucky, man. Okay, well, that's alright. Started off the 2 with an L. Played with the same clown. Just didn't work out, I guess. That's alright. New game here if we'll join in. It might be a troll job, though. Looks like it's a troll job. Yeah, it's a troll job. Yeah. Okay, I gotta get better at, like, those. I gotta make sure... Okay, I thought I had my flip still. Okay, there we go. Okay, come on. Game 3 here. Let's lock in. Hi, I'm Griffey. Okay. Is this just free? Nice. Okay, well, I wasn't sure how that was free, but right on. We take those. Don't know what Phase Demon was doing, but trolling. I'll send him on the right again here. Decent kickoff. I can't go for this, and I also don't want to go for the beans in case something bad happens. Okay, that's not brutal. It's not very good, but I know this isn't in, but it's sketch. Okay, I get bumped. Please just pop it over. No. No problem. I should have told him which way to go. That's alright. I'll just try to do something decent with the kickoff. It's not good. It's awful. Yes! He trolled his teammate. Okay, that's all I could do because it was brutal. Okay, I'm not going to touch this ball. I'm going to touch this one, though. Maybe be able to snipe it, actually. Decent shot. Not very good placement. Not bad power, though. I'm fine with the power on that. Just got to get better at placement now. Okay, I'm going to go low here. Unlucky. Secure beans. Uh-oh. I missed. He missed. Yes! He's trolling! I'm trolling. Frig. Okay, teammate. Okay, he does cut. Nice, thank you. I didn't know where Phase Demon was, so I didn't know how much time I had. Okay, back pass, please. Okay, no problem. He's gonna get beans, unlucky. Okay, demo. Stay in the play. Go, go, go. Go, go, go. Okay, no one's going. I'm going to try to pass this. Okay. Maybe it was a bad pass. Wow. Okay, a little bit of Diaz magic here, maybe. Unlucky. Oh, I missed beans. He gets bumped, but that actually helps us out. I can't go in for this in case that happens. Okay, right on. I see that he can get there, Bean, so I got mid. Just try to pass this to the corner. Nice. Make sure I get a good 50 there because my teammate's dead. Try just 15 again. Okay, I gotta go back. Unlucky. He tried getting the bump. Nice, let's go. Right on. Good play by teammate there. Okay. Don't really want to risk anything here. And I risked everything. Nice, good play by him. I can get this 12 pad. Okay, they're ball chasing. You just want to keep it close to the wall. Nice. Teammate should be able to cut. I'm going to cut for him. Nice. Okay, right on. I didn't get in his way. Beans does spawn. Huge. What's this bounce? He's going for his corner. It's unlucky. Mid is there, so I'm going to try to... Oh, my God. Big save by him. Thank God. Holy cow. I'm going to go up for this, just because I'm high out of a better angle. Does dead 1 somehow. Try to dead 2. Do bump him. That gives teammate time. Boost does spawn. Nice. He should be able to get mid at least. He does get mid. Try to just pass it to him. Okay, no problem. That's off. Nice. Nice. I want to pass this, but I can't. Nice. Nope. Ooh. Okay, sketchy. Over 1. Do just try to waste some time here. Not sure what I'm doing now. That's such an easy save. Where's he going, man? Dang. Okay, kickoff. Okay, no. OT. Right on. I'm not moving. Nope, not a chance. This is so bad! Right on. Love to see it. Alright, right on. Well, 3 L's in a row. Feel like that one should have been a W for sure. I feel like all of them could have been W's for sure, but whatever. No problem here. Last game. Come on. Alright, let's go. Come on. Let's get 1 down at least, eh? Milk and she. Sure. He's AFK. Okay, I can't really do anything here. Nice, just tried putting it in the corner for teammate. Just try to corner it again. Teammate is in the corner with me. Make sure I get beans. He's going to yank, so I'm just going to get out of there. Okay, well, he took, but he didn't want the ball, I guess. Doesn't make any sense. And does that just end? Right on. All right. Okay, well. Beauty. Yeah, he couldn't touch that. It's not really, I mean, he was lacking, but no matter what he did, it wasn't a bad spot for him. Why? Guess wrong. Man, what's it saying wow for, bro? What you mean wow? Okay, well, we've lost teammate. Why in... I honestly don't understand. I don't get it. Clowning, man. He's going to want to stay on this for some reason, yeah. Is he going to cut? Of course he is. Why wouldn't he cut? Just try passing there. And he does nothing. That's unlucky. Just got shit on there. Is that in? Well, hopefully we can hold on to this one. Like, why? Why? This game doesn't make any sense, man. It's actually crazy. Doesn't make any sense, but we won. I don't know. Well, thanks for watching. That was a roller coaster of emotions there. But we'll catch you tomorrow. See you later. Peace.